What's the meaning of building? Building. Building.
Building. Building. Building refers to the process of constructing or erecting a structure, typically using materials such as concrete, steel, or wood. The end result of building is a physical structure that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as housing, offices, factories, or public spaces. The process of building requires careful planning, design, and execution, as well as adherence to safety standards and building codes. A successfully built structure is one that is functional, safe, and aesthetically pleasing, and it serves as a testament to the skill and expertise of those involved in the construction process.